contrary, he's the ugliest chicken I ever saw. Now look what you've done. You've given him a complex.
Ostriches burying their heads in sand has been a popular belief that goes all the way back to ancient Rome. Struthio camelis, or the common ostrich, are the largest and heaviest flightless birds on Earth. Despite this, they can run at 70 km per hour, making them the fastest birds on land. So where did the whole "an ostrich sticks its head in sand" come from? Why don't we find out? Ostriches, like all birds, lay eggs. They don't, however, make nests like other birds. Instead, they dig a hole in the ground to lay their eggs in. Like careful parents, ostriches will check on their eggs by turning them with their beaks, which is probably where the myth came from. You see, an ostrich lowering down to turn its eggs looks a lot like an ostrich sticking its head in the ground, hence the misconception. But then, what do ostriches do when they get scared? These flightless birds are not as defenseless as you think. When attacked, they will most likely become aggressive, readily defending their offspring and territory. However, if threatened, ostriches may flop to the ground, lowering their body and head to the ground in an effort to blend with their surroundings. They may also run. So do ostriches bury their heads in sand? No. So now you know.